Iam Cherry reporting to you from Puerto Penasco TV. We're getting ready to fly on the ultralights across Sandy Beach. Hi Jorge, how long have you been flying these ultralights on Sandy Beach?
Well, on Sandy Beach I'll be flying 4 years actually. My real time is about 12 years.
Wow, that's really interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Tell us about the ultralights.
Well, this especially is an air creation ultralight. The model is a twin ultralight. It has a Rotax 503, it's 55 horses. It's cooled by air, and this is a 17-meter wing.
Wow, that's amazing. That's great.
You can find us here in the reef or close to La Choya. I have a hangar there.
Thank you. Puerto Penasco TV taking off to fly over Sandy Beach. This is Iam Cherry reporting to you live on Sandy Beach. Well, not really on Sandy Beach, above it. This beach is beautiful. Look, there's the harbor and the Malecon. Hi, Puerto Penasco TV. That's why they call Puerto Penasco Rocky Point. We had a great flight and a smooth landing. Thanks, Jorge.
We would love it if you would tell everyone about PuertoPenascoTV.com, and please tell the businesses you see here that you saw them on Puerto Penasco TV.